I have something to admit, and I am a little ashamed and embarrassed to admit it, but I'm going to. I was having what I like to call a little bit of a pity party the other day, feeling sad and sorry for myself. I was feeling sorry for myself because I don't have children yet. I can't build my dream home yet. And like career-wise and things, I'm just not where I want to be in my 30s. And I was feeling kind of like a failure, to be honest with you. So I was having a pity party for myself. My mom, she's like, do you hear yourself? She's like, you have a life that people dream of. They dream of the life that you have. But hold on, I know you're like, girl, but listen, my perspective's gonna shift and I'm gonna tell you why. So I'm at work and this guy comes in. Ooh, that was good. And this guy comes in and he told me that he had to go put his last $10 in his gas tank. His last $10 for the week in his gas tank. And this person was about my age. And after he left, I sat there and I was like, you were literally just complaining that you can't build your dream home and this and that, worried about what you do and don't have. And this man has $10 left for the week. And it just reminded me that, no, I don't have a mansion. I have a small home, but at least I know where I'm laying my head tonight. I know where my head's going to be laid tonight. There's people out here who don't know. I don't have to worry about the last $10 going in my gas tank. I don't have those problems anymore. I've had those problems before. I slept in my car before. I had to choose $5 for gas or $5 for pizza. Y'all know I chose the pizza, but I've had to make those decisions before. I had to work 2 jobs, 14-hour days to support myself. I've been there, but guess what? I'm not there anymore. I guess when you get to a point in your life, it's like the threshold always increases and it's never enough. It's never enough. If you would have told Larissa 10, 12 years ago where I'd be right now, I would have been thinking you're lying for one and been so like, oh my gosh, you're joking me. Like I would have been freaking out if you would have told me where I would be. Here I am saying it's not good enough. I got mad at myself after that and I was like, I have to start looking at things. Be grateful for what you have. You're never going to be happy unless you look at things in a different perspective. Instead of looking at, well, I want this and I don't have it yet. You know what? No, I don't have kids yet, but I have a family who loves me that I'm close to and I can call up and lean on anytime I want. There's people out here who don't have anybody that they can call on. They don't have family. And I do. I'll have kids one day, but I'm thankful for the family that I have now. So I'm shifting my perspective to choose to be thankful, appreciative, and happy with what I have instead of looking at what I don't have. And I'm not where I used to be at all. And that's something to be grateful for. We start to compare our lives to other people and what other people have and don't have. They got this nice car, this nice house. They got all the kids. They got the nice clothes. Their house is clean. I'm a failure. No, we're not. We're us. Be thankful for what we have because there's somebody else wishing they could have your life. I just want to be happy. I want to stop comparing myself to what other people have versus what I don't have because I'm just going to compare myself to Larissa 10, 12 years ago. I'm in a heck of a lot better place and I can do things that I never dreamed I would be doing or be able or capable of doing. And that is not a failure at all. I'm just so thankful and appreciative that I got a perspective shift because I needed it. I'm gonna look back in 10 years in my dream home with my babies and be like, guess what? I did the thing, but I was grateful and thankful and blessed for every single thing I had along the way. And I'm not gonna continue to think about and look at what I don't have. I'm gonna be thankful for what I have, and it's gonna make me a happier person.